If you are looking for a simple and effective way to recycle kitchen waste and improve your garden soil at the same time, this method using a perforated PVC pipe works really well. It slowly turns everyday organic scraps into a nutrient-rich source that feeds nearby plants. The best part is that it is low cost, easy to set up, and continues working for a long time with very little maintenance. In the first step, take an old PVC pipe that you are not using anymore. The pipe can be of any reasonable length depending on the size of your garden bed or container. Using a soldering iron, carefully make holes all around the pipe. These holes should be big enough to allow earthworms to move in and out freely, because worms play a key role in breaking down organic matter. Try to distribute the holes evenly across the pipe so that air, moisture, and soil organisms can easily interact with the contents inside. Once the pipe is ready, dig a deep hole in your garden bed or even in a large container if you are working in a small space. The hole should be deep enough so that most of the pipe can be buried securely, leaving only about 3 to 4 inches of the pipe above the ground surface. This exposed part will be used later for adding kitchen waste and managing the system. Place the perforated PVC pipe vertically in the hole and carefully fill the soil back around it, pressing lightly to make sure it stands firm and does not tilt. Now comes the important part, which is filling the pipe with organic kitchen waste. Collect everyday scraps such as vegetable peels, fruit skins, tea leaves, coffee grounds, and other biodegradable kitchen leftovers. It is better to chop or cut these wastes into small pieces before adding them inside the pipe. Smaller pieces break down faster and reduce the chances of bad smell or pests. Slowly fill the pipe with these chopped organic materials, allowing them to settle naturally inside. After adding the kitchen waste, it is a good idea to add a handful of compost or vermicompost on top of the waste inside the pipe. This introduces beneficial microbes and accelerates the decomposition process. Vermicompost is especially useful because it already contains earthworm activity and rich microbial life that helps break down organic matter efficiently. If vermicompost is not available, regular well-decomposed compost will also work. Once you have filled and layered the pipe, cover the top properly. Instead of leaving it open, you can use mulch or a lid to protect the contents. A very effective method is to place a small terracotta pot upside down over the pipe. Make sure the pot has a drainage hole. This hole plays an important role because it allows rainwater or irrigation water to enter the pipe gradually. When you water your garden or when it rains, water seeps through this opening and travels down through the decomposing organic matter. As the water moves through the kitchen waste inside the pipe, it extracts nutrients and forms a natural liquid fertilizer often called compost tea. This nutrient-rich liquid slowly seeps out into the surrounding soil, feeding the roots of nearby plants. Over time, this improves soil fertility, boosts microbial activity, and enhances plant growth without the need for chemical fertilizers.